What's going on, guys? It is Shay here. It's everybody. I'm going to be reacting to YTP Train Derails and Hits Justin Bieber by CS188. Or, yeah, CS188. I say it that way. I don't say CS188 because it's kind of annoying how he does it. Or how Charmix does it. Speaking of Charmix, I'm very sorry for him because he lost his grandpa maybe a few days ago. So I'm very sorry about that. I did comment on a video today that my grandpa also died, like back in actually around 2 years ago. So yeah, if you notice, yes, there's no light in here in my computer. TV's on in the background. I'm in my mom's room again. My last night being here, I swear it is. You guys might be seeing my old setup in the background next week, but time to freaking react to a video I love. I have been freaking watching ever since I became a YouTuber, ever since I started doing videos. So with that being said, let's begin. Let's do this. It's Justin Bieber. Hey Mario, hey Justin Bieber on the radio. No. Mario, fuck you get fuck the radio. I dream. That's exactly why I like this YTP a little bit, because for one of that one face that he made. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have already seen that slideshow, that creepy slideshow, or those weird slideshow videos he used to make it back then, back when I first became a YouTuber, because I didn't know what to freaking do, so what I just did, just put random freaking pictures in a slideshow. So that's like, okay, so hold up. That face right here, this face right here, that's what got me into making slideshows, and also it just made me freaking laugh all the time. So I want the world to see my cock. You're a virgin and I'm Madonna and I'll be your sister. I don't wanna miss a single thing, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Justin Bieber, I wanna stare at your high direction. What?
Toast. Toasted.
I'm so glad you have a untrimmed cock like me. I don't wanna do a single thing the way you move. Yeah. Whoa. You blow my cock every single time. I'm so glad you suck my cock. Lipstick on my cock. I want the world to suck my cock. I'm so obsessed with my cock.
Shut the fuck up!
Fuck Justin Bieber tonight. Hey, won't do some drugs with me. Oh man, that kind of brings back a few memories. Alright guys, hope you guys like this video. So that was YTP, not YTP. If you guys don't know, this video was made 7 years ago apparently. So basically when I first watched this video, that's basically in 2016. That's 3 years ago. So basically this video was like 5 years old when I first watched it basically. Or 4 years old around that time. But this is an old video. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, possibly share it with a friend, hit subscribe and join me today. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. I brought back a lot of freaking memories, man, I swear.